Vegas is full of over-the-top casinos, world-class shows, and celebrity chef restaurants. But what about the stuff they don't put on the brochure? I'm talking hidden gems, the secret spots that even some locals don't know about. Here are my top 5 wildest hidden gems in Las Vegas. And no, the Spearmint Rhino didn't make the list. This time. This hidden speakeasy has no sign, no menu, and definitely no vodka cranberry. The laundry room is reservation only, text message confirmed, and inside a bar that's inside another bar. It's like Inception, but drunk. Sure, Area 15 is already weird, but Omega Mart takes it up 10 notches. It's an interactive grocery store that leads to a trippy multiverse-spanning art exhibit. Think Target meets Salvador Dali on mushrooms. Only in Vegas can you turn a cab ride into a concert. Hop into this rolling karaoke bar where the driver hands you the mic, cranks up the lights, and suddenly you're the star of your own music video, traffic jam or not. Bonus points for belting out a power ballad before the next stoplight. Everything, and I mean everything, is made of ice. The glasses, the walls, even the chairs. This bar is kept at -5 Celsius, which is basically a meat locker with vodka. Great for Instagram, terrible for flip-flops. Before bottle service, there were bomb tests. This museum dives into Vegas's weird history with nuclear weapons testing. You'll see bomb shelter artifacts, Cold War kitsch, and even a simulated nuke blast. It's less rave, more radiation. Vegas is full of wild surprises. You just need to know where to look. Which hidden gem are you hitting first? Drop it in the comments, smash that subscribe button, and we'll be back next week with more weird Vegas wonders.